Look at any major operation from above, and you'll see a relentless blur of motion. It looks productive. Everyone is moving, machines are running, and there's a constant hum of activity across the floor. But beneath that surface momentum, microscopic delays are compounding. A pallet waits 2 minutes here, a machine sits idle there. These tiny friction points silently choke productivity and drain revenue. The obvious answer is to reorganize the floor plan or change the shift schedule. But you can't simply hit pause on a busy emergency room or stop a global manufacturing line to experiment with new layouts. Testing those changes in the physical world carries massive risk. Guessing wrong on a supply route or a staffing reduction can instantly cause delays to cascade, backing up the entire system. When an operation is too critical to disrupt, organizations become paralyzed. The risk of breaking the system prevents them from evolving, leaving them stuck with inefficient workflows. Organizations circumvent this risk by using discrete event simulation software, like SIMUL8. They build a dynamic mathematical replica of their workflow where they can fail safely. The first step is mapping out reality. Users define every specific component, establish the operational rules governing how things move, and set the key performance indicators they need to measure. Using a drag-and-drop interface, they translate complex physical floor plans and unpredictable human behaviors into a tightly structured, trackable digital framework. However, this digital copy is only as strong as its foundation. The software's ability to predict outcomes relies entirely on the accuracy of the historical data fed into it. Once properly mapped, the physical system is no longer a fragile mystery. It becomes a zero-consequence proving ground where you can tear the whole process down and rebuild it virtually. To diagnose the operation, you run the simulation using that historical data. Suddenly, those invisible friction points that standard management missed become clearly visible. Watch the blue nodes moving through stations. They hit this narrower point, pile up, and flash red, your core bottleneck. We add a parallel pathway. The flow divides and pressure drops. Adjust sliders to test reallocating staff, supply routes, or equipment capacity. Behind these animations, the software crunches the numbers. It generates deep statistical reports, allowing you to directly compare the theoretical throughput against the cost efficiency of every scenario you try. This sandbox process replaces reactive guesswork with a mathematically proven strategy. Managers move from wondering if a change will work to knowing its impact before they spend a dime. Once the data proves which scenario works best, the virtual plan is physically implemented on the real-world floor. The physical results mirror the simulation. Idle times vanish, staff and equipment are utilized to their full capacity, and those compounding daily wastes are eliminated, driving down overall operational costs. The frantic, relentless blur of motion we saw earlier is gone. In its place is a lean, highly controlled rhythm where everything arrives exactly when it is needed. By identifying and solving operational problems virtually, businesses strip the risk out of systemic change and secure measurable efficiency. The next stage of operational management moves beyond one-time fixes into a state of continuous, automated optimization. Look at this digital blueprint. This is a digital twin. Instead of running historical data through a static model, these simulations are directly hooked into the real world, constantly updated with live streaming data from the physical logistics center. By integrating artificial intelligence into this live feed, the system can spot anomalies early. It analyzes incoming variables to predict supply chain disruptions and equipment failures before they physically occur. We are rapidly approaching a reality where this software functions as an autonomous operational brain, automatically rerouting resources to keep the system optimized without human intervention. Global markets are moving faster and growing more complex. To keep up, organizations must learn to map, break, and perfect their operations in the digital world first.